Alright, now I just want to concentrate a little bit more on these ports here, because there was a time period when I used to use these ports and I don't really use them like I used to. I remember back in the day I had to use a fax modem in order to get things done. And so at that time, man, we had to use some of these ports here in order to get that done, because when I was into computing, I don't think we even had a USB at that time, because I was doing, let me see, around 1995 or something like that. Anyway, all right, so this is I'm gonna talk about the serial port, also known as RS-232, R communications ports. Historically has rivaled the parallel port in versatility. Serial ports have been used to connect the following: pin 1 for DB9 serial port, and let me see, this one does not have a pin 1 for DB25 serial port. Let me see, a 9-pin serial port DBM connector topping 25-pin serial port, multi-bracket from a multi-in and out card. The ribbon cables used to connect the ports to the cards can be seen in the background. External modem, serial mouse, or pointing devices such as trackballs or touchpads, plotters, labels, printers, and serial printers. PDA docking stations, digital cameras, and PC to PC connections used by file transfer programs such as direct cable connection, lap link, and interlink.